Cover song. This is What's the Really You by Mess. Thank you.
Okay. Another round of applause from our last competing band for tonight. Give it up for Circle of Please. Alright. Para ko medyo gawalan pala tayo ka mo siningano, but before we move on to our guest band, we'd like to hear the comment from our member judges about our last performer for tonight. We'd like to call in the comment of Mr. Lina Dela of Snapchat about our last performer.
Circle of Please. Okay naman yung tugtog nyo. Kung yung choice of music nyo, ayos yun. Okay yung tone ng guitar. Bagay lang sa music nyo. Tapos malinis naman siya. Kahit yung mga pagsak nyo. Yung levels na rin, sakto na ang pantay. Dahil melody-based yung tugtugan nyo, siguro improve ka na lang sa mga hooks pa. Para mas makagawa pa kayo ng mas maganda sa future. So yun, good luck.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Lina Dela of Snapchat.